Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to trim and cut a video in the VLLO app, as it is perfect if you want to remove unwanted parts and keep only the best moments. First, open the VLLO app. Then tap on create a new project or open an existing one. Once you are on the editing screen, you will see your video clips in the timeline at the bottom. To trim or cut a clip, you can just simply tap on the video clip that you want to edit. Now to trim the video, you can just drag the left or right edges of the clip inwards. This allows you to remove the beginning or the ending part of the video. You can also see a preview on the screen as you can adjust the clip length. If you want to cut or split the video, move the playhead to the exact point where you want to cut. Then tap on split or cut option from the editing tools. This will divide the clips into the two separate parts. If there is a section you don't need, simply tap on that clip and select delete. As you can see, it is successfully removed from the clips. And now you can repeat the same process to make multiple cuts and refine your video. You can also drag any clips to rearrange their order in the timeline. And after all the editing, simply tap done. After editing, make sure to preview the video clips, and that's it. You have successfully trimmed and cut your video in VLLO. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more VLLO editing tips.